Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. Now swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and in this panel, or rather on this panel, you should see a bunch of icons. You can scroll through this panel by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the brightness icon, looks like the sun, and tap on it, and this should bring you to this menu. And here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus or minus buttons, or using the crown. We can rotate the crown to adjust the brightness. You can also enable or disable the adaptive brightness by tapping on the switch. What the adaptive brightness does is basically it adjusts the brightness automatically. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.